Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining what is meant by feed in case of drilling machines. So let's get started. Now in order to explain feed, I'll just draw the diagram of a drill, a simple diagram. Here in this diagram, there is a drill which is a vertical drill having a vertical axis. As we can see here, this is the drill axis, and here there is a workpiece. Now drill is a multi-point cutting tool which is rotating at an RPM denoted by capital N, that is the rotational speed for this drill. Now drill is that cutting tool which is rotated at the same time it is fed actually in the downward direction towards the workpiece. So feed is basically the axial distance corresponding to the rotation of the drill. It means, I'll just explain it with a simple example, is that when the drill is rotating by 1 rpm, or if it is rotating by just one revolution covering the circumference of the drill, so in this one revolution, how much is the linear distance traveled by the drill? That is basically called as feed. So it can be expressed as so feed is basically the linear or axial distance traveled by the drill corresponding to the rotation of the drill, and it is given by feed. The unit is either it can be meter per minute or it can even be mm per minute. I'll explain it in terms of mm per minute. So it would be given by mm, that is the distance is 1 mm per revolution multiplied by n, which is the rpm. So basically feed in terms of mm per minute is given by mm per revolution, that is in one revolution the distance covered by the drill in terms of mm, multiply it with the rpm, that is the revolutions per minute, will give us the feed in terms of mm per minute, that is in 1 minute by how much mm the drill has moved in the linear direction downward towards the workpiece. So that is basically called as feed in case of drilling machine. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.